Good morning, everyone. Another week, another trading week starts. S&P opened a little down and then proceeded to form a little down, but then seems to be trading in a range as it has been doing most of the week and the month before this. And we'll see how this goes going forward. So coming back to our trading ideas video, we'll start with the market regime this time. We are continue to be in the bull quiet. We have sort of moved away from the bull quiet to sideways. The yellow bars here, we are in green, which is bull quiet, which generally means that we can expect slow, choppy action as well as grinding up moves from time to time. Up moves are likely to be bigger than the down moves. We see how it pans out with lots of Fed speakers in these 2 days, debt ceiling drama looming, and also the Fed minutes coming up on the May 24th. So we are in a supportive market regime for long ideas at this point. So we have discussed this slide in the last video. We'll use the breakout of previous week's high as the entry. Stop loss is the previous week's low. Position size appropriately and ensure that you use a basket of positions to remain well diversified and ensure that you kind of don't have too much risk on one basket. The example of a trade idea, just to use another example from the previous video. So we have a breakout here. You enter here, your stop loss is here. You enter somewhere around here as a breakout of this. Your stop loss is here, and once you kind of make 1:1 profit, you can trail a step loss. So once you hit this target, you can trail a stop loss and see how far it goes, or you can take out the entire positions at target 1, or maybe leave a little bit for target 2. That's how you kind of manage these, and the trade management and the position sizing must be done correctly for the strategy to work. But if you do, there is very good positive expectancy that you can find, which you can see in this slide where we are talking about the last week's trade performance. Most signals performed well. We had no entries for 4 tickers. 2 tickers are down, but they haven't hit the stop loss. We'll see how they will do this week. But most of the ones that performed well gave 5 to 6%, and in case 10 to 15% in a couple of cases, which is enough to make that more than make up anyone's trading week. So applying this systematically week after week will give you good ideas, good trades, and good risk reward ratio. So on that note, I think let's proceed to this week's ideas. We only have 2 ideas this week. We have only TPR and workday long. We don't have more ideas. Could be because maybe the market was fairly sideways for the last few weeks. Not much stocks are setting up for an up move. They're kind of pretty much in the range, so we don't have a signal, which is fine because we don't need to risk capital unless there is something to do in the market. So we have these 2 trades that we have right now. Entry, exit, everything the same way as before. And happy trading. We hope that the previous signals were useful. We'll keep tracking them till they hit the stop loss or profit target 3, and we'll see you in the next video next week.